Oy, si Tolentino, natatandaan niyo yung balita nung isang araw? May naaresto kasi na escort ni Francis Tolentino, Senator Francis Tolentino. Hindi ba pinagbawal na ni PBBM yung paggamit ng mga blinkers na yan? At sumabay pa yung issue ng mga nagmo-moonlight na PNP personnel. So pinaigting ng PNP yung kanilang effort. At sa kanilang pagpapaigting ng effort na yan, nakahuli sila ng MMDA na escort ni Tolentino na gumagamit ng insignia ka-coffee ng PNP. Sticker ba? Ginagamit nila yan. Eh si Tolentino, pinagtatanggol niya ito ka-coffee. Binanatan niya ang PNP dito dahil nagpapakalat daw yan ng fake news. Yan, fake information daw. Binira ni Tolentino itong tagapagsalita ng PNP. Kasi fake news, daw, nagpapakalat ng fake news. Sige, basahin natin. Ano yung issue dito? Punot dulo nito. Tolentino hits PNP on escorts arrest. Bakit kasi di niya pagsabihan, di ba? Saan may chief of staff naman yan? O may head ng security niya? O sunod tayo, bawal gumamit ng blinkers. O kung MMDA personnel yan, bakit may sticker ka ng police dyan? Yun yung punto ng PNP dyan. Kaya pinapanindigan ng PNP yung kanilang pag-aresto. Kasi hindi ka naman police, bakit may sticker ka ng police? Diba? Misrepresentation yun. Yun ang pinupunto dyan ng PNP. Kaya hindi nila pwedeng sabihin na nagkamali lang sila sa pag-aresto dyan. Pinapanindigan ng PNP dyan. Si Tolentino naman, syempre tao niya yan. Actually, may pananagutan na sa dyan eh. Kung issue ng command responsibility yan, di ba? Sana, pinagsabihan mo, brief mo. O kung hindi man ikaw, definitely hindi ikaw, di ba? Yung mga tao mo, head ng security mo, i-brief mo yan. O sumunod tayo sa batas. Huwag tayo gumamit ng blinkers, huwag tayo gumamit ng kung ano-ano. Dahil government official tayo eh, senador tayo, di ba? Ganun yun eh. Senate Majority Leader Francis Tolentino accused the Philippine National Police yesterday of spreading misinformation and of lacking clear guidelines following the arrest of two Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA enforcers escorting him in Parañaque last Wednesday. Tira mo nagagawa talaga ng posisyon eh. Kapag nasa posisyon ka talaga, oo. Walang guidelines. Biglang nagkaroon walang guidelines. Mani ka na, i-justify mo pa kaya walang guidelines. Sagat sa ulo nun Ibig sabihin, pwedeng gumamit ng stickers. Ano yung executive order na bawal gumamit ng blinkers? Hindi ba guidelines yun? Yun ang mahirap eh, sa ilang opisyal, mali ka na, justify mo pa para hindi ka mapahiya. Yun ang dyan, hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Anyway, sige. Addressing PNP spokesperson Colonel Jean Fajardo, the senator said PNP made it appear that the arrest of the two MMDA riders and the police officer caught moonlighting as an escort were connected. Connected talaga. Kasi nga, kaya nahuli yan dahil pinaigting nga ng PNP yung efforts nila para mahuli yung mga PNP personnel na nag-escort ng mga VIP. Connected naman talaga kasi yan. Kasi kung hindi naghigpit ang PNP, hindi nila in-intensify yung efforts nila para mahuli ang mga yan. Mahuhuli ba yung dalawang MMDA? Siyempre hindi. Tolentino alleged that Fajardo said the MMDA riders were wearing police uniforms. He said he was present during the incident and the riders were not in police uniforms. Yan ang punto ni Tolentino. Dako tayo dito ka-coffee. Sa punto ng PNP. Para fair naman tayo dyan. Ano yung argumento ng PNP dyan? Ito, nasa balita ng Manila Bulletin. Ito ang tanong Simpleng tanong yan. Bakit kasi may police sticker? yun lang yan. Simple lang yun, Senator. Bakit kasi may police sticker? Yes, sige, hindi mo kasalanan niya, pero yung head mo ng security, make sure na yung nag-escort sa inyo, sumusunod sa batas. Mamaya, nagdi-deliver na pala ng kung ano-ano yan. Yun lang yun eh. PNP stands ground in arresting two MMDA personnel. Akala nyo, atras ang PNP dyan. The Philippine National Police has stood its ground in arresting two enforcers of MMDA who were collared while providing road assistance to a government official. Sabi ni PNP spokesperson Colonel Jean Fajardo, pinaliwanag niya that the arresting highway patrol group has no issue with the road assistance itself but on the use of police markings. Correct. Wala namang mali dyan kasi authorized. Yung MMDA na nag-escort dyan kay Tolentino, authorized yan. Kumbaga, official yung biyahe niyan kasi inaprubahan niya ng MMDA. Pero ang issue dyan, yung paggamit ng police markings sa kanilang mga sasakyan while she described as misrepresentation of the police force. Yun eh. Ang punto dyan, binimisrepresent mo yung police force. Kumbaga, nag-feeling police ka, hindi ka naman police. Diba? Para saan? Makapanlamang. Why would you put a police sticker on the motorcycle when you are not a police officer? From the point of view of police officers, they would think that the rider of the motorcycle with a police sticker is a police officer. Sabi ni Fajardo sa kanyang interview sa DCWP. Makes sense, ka-coffee. Diba? Assuming. Nagka-assume. Actually, may pananagutan ng ano dyan ng MMDA. May pagkukulang ng MMDA dyan. Kasi siyempre, inspection man lang, sige sabihin natin, ang argumento kasi ng kabila ang may kasalanan dyan ng MMDA, hindi yung police officers. Kasi sa kanila naman pag-aari yung mga motorcycle na yan. Pero ganoon pa rin ikaw yung gumagamit yun. Sino ba naman, sabihin mo sa supervisor mo, sir, may police sticker tayo dyan. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Ibig sabihin dyan, police na ba tayo? Ganoon. Diba? So the HPG leadership stands its ground that there were violations committed and this was the reason why they were apprehended and filed with illegal and improper use of insignia. She said. The two MMDA enforcers were arrested dyan po sa Parañaque nitong Miyerkules, gabi po ng Miyerkules habang ini-escortan po nila itong si Senator Francis Tolentino. MMDA Acting Chairman Don Artes earlier said that Tolentino requested for road assistance as he had an important meeting in the palace. Sana all. Our request they granted due to the urgency of the situation. Actually, parang kakapanlabang kayo dyan. In a statement, Tolentino hit what he described as misinformation and lack of clear guidelines from the PNP in connection with the incident. Pwede pala yun, gawa ka ng mali, tapos pag nahuli ka, ay wala naman tayong guidelines. Ang tawag natin dyan, ano ba yan? Legal siya, pero hindi siya ethical. Pwede ba ganun? Sige, assuming walang guidelines, no? Pero obvious naman On your own assessment, common sense, mali yun. Di ba? Sige, hindi siya illegal. In a way, legal or basta hindi siya illegal. Pero ethically, mali yun. Di ba? It appears that Police Colonel Fajardo, ito na yung sinasabi ni Tolentino dyan, has mixed up details of separate incidents involving the arrest of riders and a police officer. As a spokesperson, it is your duty and obligation to the general public to provide the correct information. Tolentino said. They were charged with usurpation of authority, yet they never impersonated police officers. Secondly, they were charged with improper use of stickers, but there is no law prohibiting the use of stickers, perhaps insignias, but the stickers weren't even on their uniforms. So pwede pala sa sa sasakyan, pwede pala sa motor, total wala naman palang guidelines. Hindi naman nakalagay sa uniform. Sige, imagine mo ganitong sitwasyon. May kotse ka, di ba? Yung kotse mo, tagtarin mo ng sticker ng PNP. Sige, tagtarin mo ng speaker ng Office of the President. Tagtarin mo ng speaker ng Senate o kung ano man yan. Ano gusto mong iparating doon? Bakit mo nilalagyan yan? Para pag na-call out ka, para may violation ka, syempre, yung mga enforcer, pag nag-isa lang yan, kaya-kaya yung dumugin yan I-insinuate nyo yan. Ang tawag natin dyan, hindi ba bully yung term natin dyan, pero kaya yung i-overpower yan I'm working at the Senate. I'm working under the Office of the President. I'm working as a police officer. So, syempre, yung kaawang enforcer, sige sir, pasensya na po kayo. So pa nag-sorry. Diba? Yan yung gusto nyo gawin dyan. Kaya naglalagay kayo dyan ng mga stickers para maka-absuelto kayo sa huli, sa sita o kung ano man yan. Yes, walang guidelines. Sige, sabihin natin walang guidelines. Pero I don't think walang guidelines. Meron yan. Di lang nailalabas yan. Yes, walang guidelines. Pero mali pa rin yun. Mali yun. Huwag nyo nang i-justify yung mali. Ang problema dito kay Tolentino, mali na i-justify pa. Wala daw kasi guidelines, kaya ganun yun. Ewan. Sige, nasa Senate, gawa kayo ng batas. Pwede na, judge siya sa Senado gawa ng batas. With due respect to our colleagues in the MMDA, we arrested several motorcycles with police markings on them. We have been intensifying the operation against the riders, and it just happened that on the night of May 29, there were MMDA personnel involved. Sabi po ni Colonel Jean Fajardo. Actually, Colonel, hayaan mo yan si Tolentino. Kasi nagpapaliwanag, nangangatwiran lang yan sa alam naman natin na mali. Pag mali, huwag nyo gawin yan. Diba? Alam mo naman natin kung anong intention nyo dyan. Bakit nyo nilagyan ng mga insignias yan eh. Diba? Ano sa inyo dyan, ka-coffee? Sige, posibleng iba ang opinion nyo dyan, pero sige, bahagyan ng inyong opinion, ng inyong reaction dyan sa ating comment section para mabasa rin po ng iba nating mga ka-coffee. Kung nasa Facebook po kayo, pasuyin na lang ha, pa-click lang po ng like at follow sa Facebook, at kung nasa YouTube, please click lang po yung subscribe nasa lower right, at please like na rin ang video niya para sa ating attendance check. O ako ay magpapaalam na sa inyo, ka-coffee. Maraming salamat po sa pagsama sa akin. Ingat po kayo, nasa man po kayong panig ng daigdig. Paalam! Bye-bye!